Oh, okay. So where are you from? What's your country name?
I'm from I'm from Kazakhstan.
Oh, okay. It's nice
Yes,
country. And what is your name?
Mr. My name is Inabat.
Okay,
Ina.
my name is Sushanto Paul, and it's nice to meet you.
Santa Paul. Paul. Yes.
Yeah,
What is it?
yeah. Are you a student?
I'm a student. I'm working. Where you from?
I'm
Paul.
from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh,
Yes.
Pakistan? In Hindi? Hindi? Pakistan?
Oh, yeah. Next to Pakistan, next to India. Do you know India?
Forever. Кто тұрма? Қайтадан Саша шаштым.
So what is the national language in your country?
Russian, Kazakh language, Russian language, Turkish
Oh,
language,
okay.
English.
So do you speak Russian language? Do you speak Russian language?
Yes.
Okay. And
Russian.
do you speak Spanish?
Spanish not. Russian.
Oh, okay.
Paul,
Yeah.
how old?
I'm 24 years
How
old.
old? 24? Oh,
Yeah.
you student?
Yes, I'm a student. Are you a student?
I'm not student. I'm working. Me 34.
34?
34.
Oh, okay.
34. One time?
So where do you live in? Where do you live in? Do you live in a city
I'm
or
living-
countryside?
I'm living in city, Astana.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Спасибо. Лягушка, кто это такой? Рыбка, лягушка, непонятно. Спасибо.
And are you married or single?
Okay. I'm single.
Oh, this ring
I'm
is
single.
okay. This ring is for you.
Yeah. Thank you. Не надо. Thank you. I'm not married. I'm. Как сказать? Я не хочу замуж.
А я хочу ребенка.
Ну,
It's for
захочу,
you.
сама родишь. Я бабушкой стану. Дракончик любимый. Дракончик, понятно. Thank you.
Oh, you are so cute.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you.
Do you know one thing
My
that
English bitti.
I have a YouTube channel.
What?
Oh, you
YouTube channel?
speak. Yeah. So, do you want to
I'm sorry.
do you want to learn English? If you want to learn English, then I will help you. I will help you to learn English. Okay?
My English and Ты пишешь? Я не умею. Говорит папа там. Португальский. Португальский.
So, what is your favorite sport?
Спорт. Бассейн. Бассейн. Вы можете сказать мне?
What? Sorry, could you please repeat?
Water. Спорт. Джизу. Плавание.
Oh, what is
Бассейн,
that?
плавание. Включил, он не
Do you like play
Он включил
basketball?
этот...
Basketball? Do you like basketball?
I'm... Yes. Не включил. Почему?
Okay.
Ты переводи, ты английский знаешь?
You know one thing that
I
you
love
look like
basketball, yes.
you look like a Chinese girl or Japanese girl.
Блядь, ты там, я даже обмутать, да? I'm not Japan. I'm not Chinese. My look, yes.
Yes,
Japanese.
you look.
Yeah,
Actually, I love your short hair. I love your short hair. It's so cute.
Problem.
Yeah. So, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, brother, sister.
How many brothers and sisters do you have? Oh, that's nice.
Сейчас он меня закончит, пока не закончит, не получится. Он нажал вот эту кнопку, и у меня не выходит, не выходит это,
I don't understand your language.
получается. I'm sorry. Там, friends.
So, what is your national language in your country? What is the national language in your country?
In my country, Kazakh, Russian.
Russia?
Kazakh, Russian. Russia.
Okay. So,
Привет, Russia.
so how can I say how can I say how are you in your language?
Сәлем, қалайсың? Ассаламалейкум, қалай жағдай?
Oh, so are you Muslim?
Yes, Muslim.
Oh, okay.
I'm Muslim. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, okay.
Неправильный. I'm bad Muslim.
So, can you sing?
Что-то мне.
Can you sing a song?
What?
Can you sing a song?
Can you sing a song? I'm not listening. Can you sing a song?
Can you sing? Do you like music?
Music. Yes.
And can you sing? You can sing?
А не хочу.
No?
Kazakh music. I'm not. Я не буду петь, я не знаю.
Okay, so can you dance? Can you dance?
Человек. I love dance. I love song.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes. Для себя. Хинди. City. Какой город? How city? Блядь. Мне с тобой трудно общаться. Какой город? Хинди. Так что трудно общаться.
So, okay, it's nice to meet you.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.